Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME GT3 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now you can tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of REALME and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on REALME, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in white pop-up. And then got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Close and add. Allow camera access here and point it at the code. To input this code, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And to connect, hit Receive button. Then wait. Close or add. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!